Alright guys, today we're going to replace a rear view mirror in an Audi A4. It's 2009. It's a Quattro. Don't know if any of that really matters. But had the window replaced, and this is what happened. Didn't notice it until it was a little stiffer before when we tried to move it, like you put some paper in there or something. When we tried to move it, it just tweaked and it started doing that, and it was too late, you know. So ordered a new one. Got a new one from eBay. It might be slightly off color. I know that there's some importance of the number of pins in here for what they do. This is a 7-pin. It matches what's in the car. This is the gel pad, which we believe is what's making the rain doodle not work as good as it should. And this is a replacement one of these, the best we could find. Noticing it's missing this clip here. So it's got these two and this one. So maybe it'll stay on better than the one we have in the car. So the gel pad, if you look from the outside of the car, is this guy right here. And they say to replace it. So the key is, they say, to rotate this mirror counterclockwise and it should pop off of there. So we'll see if I can get a decent spot for you to sit. Wow, that's really hard to see. I guess we'll see, won't we? Oh. See why those things break so easily. Well, that popped out of there pretty nicely. And then, well, that was about the easiest deinstall I ever did. I guess the next thing is to figure out how to get to that gel pad. And I'll have to get a light and we'll see what happens. Alright, well, there's that. This appears to be glued. Sweet. Well, that makes sense. Don't think we're going to do the gel pad because I don't know how to glue that. Unless, well, I mean, that holds the whole mirror on, so we'll have to check. Let me find out if that's a specialty glue or not. Anyway, I'll do that another day. So I guess today we're just gonna do, the mirror replacement, which is gonna be a super quick video. Well, maybe. Well, I don't break something stupidly here. There we go. All right. Next. Let's do the plug first. Yeah. It goes in like that. That would have been dumb. Well, that was easier than I thought it was going to be. It's already better. Boss lady will be happy. I bet there's some super trick to this. Wow, craziness right there. I bet that's gonna have something to do with this guy getting down in there where it needs to be, like way down there, some kind of way. I have no idea, but it seems like it needs to go way down in there. And I'm also going to say that maybe this one isn't the right guy for us. This one's got some rubber on it, but this one's got a rubber piece, so put the old one back on. Oh yeah. Well, it's not going to fit in there beautifully, but it'll fit in there. I don't know. It's not broken anymore. So we're gonna have to get a different piece because this has got some rubber on it that doesn't look like it clips in really well, and probably not the right piece for this mirror, but it'll be fine for right now. Still got to take that gel pad off, so we'll take all the extra pieces off, figure out how to do the gel pad, and we'll attack that one another day. I took that this clip off right here, and it just popped out. So that's kind of cool. And then the gel pad. Oh. Alright, there's the old gel pad. I'll put the new gel pad in. Looks like what happened is the center piece of the gel pad never got taken off. So I probably could have just left that one in there and worked with it, but okay. All right. Alrighty. I think that's it.